today's episode, we're going to be doing some cleaning of the spice jars. So if you're interested in how we reorganize this, you know what to do. Stick around. Now today, I went to refill some of the bottles. I already filled one before I remembered, why don't you film this? But I do need to clean it out because there is some things in the drawer that needs to be dealt with. So what I'm going to do is take everything out, give it a clean wipe down, and then the ones that need to be refilled, refill them, so on and so on. Okay, let's get these out. Now what I was doing here was trying to arrange the seasonings that went together, all the leafy ones and then the ones I used on a regular basis. I try to keep them on the first row. So I was trying to make sure that I kept like the Creole seasoning, the Obey, the chili powder, to keep those all together, and then like the leafy ones, you see the bay leaves, oregano, trying to keep them all on the same rows where to make it easier for me when I'm cooking. Now as I showed you that one, the ones that have the black and white letters on them, those are Mrs. Dash that I have. That's what I cook for with my husband. He has a renal diet, so he has to have that kind of seasoning. So I basically want to make sure my drawer was organized, clean, and easy access. Now eventually I was thinking about getting new containers, but these here, they work really well. I just have to find another method of the painting on the lids, on the outside of the lids. Working on that one. So now let's see how the drawer looks. Now everything is in order. I'm liking the neatness of it all. As you see, I have my salt substitutes and the pepper. As I have them, I use the paprika, turmeric, the cumin, the onion powder. I need to get some more garlic powder. I thought I had some, but I don't. And these are the ones that I use a lot. Rosemary, Italian seasoning, oregano, bay leaves, on and on. I tried to get these where everything kind of works together, where when you're looking for that certain spice or seasoning, it is right there. There's not a big search. I try to keep them all in order. Now I have the Tabitha Brown Sunshine right there. I love it. My husband doesn't care for it, but I love it. But those are the Mrs. Dashes, again in the black and white. Trying to keep everything organized. And then I only use nutmeg doing the seasoning. I need to switch to nutmeg with that chicken blend seasoning in the wrong place. But overall, the drawer looks clean now. It's organized. The bottles are washed off. Everything is ordered. So let me know what you think of my organization style in this drawer. Now, as you notice, some labels are all white. That's because the seasoning or spice is a dark color. And then the black ones are on the ones that are a light color. But let me know what you think down below, and I'll catch you in the next episode.